Hello guys and girls, welcome back. So today we're checking out this wireless switch kit. So this is for switching different devices. So let me go ahead and show you this. Comes with a nice little manual here. Goes over everything. Now you have two different setups. Let's go ahead and show you. They give you all the screws and everything needed. They give you the double-sided 3M tape for mounting. So again, this is a kinetic switcher, wireless switch. Now, there's a lot to know, and when it comes to this kind of stuff, I like you guys to please check the listing, make sure you read everything, and also when you get it, follow the manual. I personally believe it's better to follow the manual than to follow someone else, because when it comes to electrical stuff, it can be a little dangerous. So you have this, which is basically where you would run your power cables, for switching back and forth. The manual goes over everything pretty good, so you should be able to follow it pretty good. But we can show you guys what it looks like. And it's very simple. So when you're connecting your wires, there's a screw. You just thread the screw out, put the wires inside each one. So you have 4 spots, so positive, negative, negative, positive. And once you're done, put this panel back on, and then you can go ahead and have the switch set up. It does work with Google and Alexis, or Alexis. And again, you can add it to an app, so you can use an app with it. Again, on here, there's a button on here itself, the panel box, and then also here is a button itself